Looking for a simple Notion tutorial that will get you up to speed with this buzz-creating productivity tool? Notion is like a giant set of Legos. By putting the various components together, you can create a simple treehouse or the Eiffel Tower. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. The use cases are extensive, ranging from mood boards, net worth trackers, and personal life dashboards. But there's a catch. Open the app and you're greeted by a blank page. Literally just a flashing cursor. Everything is a block. Text, headers, images, databases, quotes, and other pages. What makes blocks special is that they're recursive, meaning that a block can contain another block. Here's a list of Notion's basic blocks: text, headers, images, toggle lists, to-do lists, tables, callouts, embeds. Notion template. A template is a pre-built Notion page that you can add into your workspace. Instead of trying to rebuild a simple page or a complex workflow, simply add a Notion template into your workspace and get started. Templates can be anything from a team knowledge base to a personal workout tracker and everything in between. How to find templates? Inside the Notion app, click the template button in the Notion sidebar to get started. This will open a pop-up window of the template gallery in Notion. Once there, use the Dropbox menu in the upper left corner to select your category and see popular subcategories in the sidebar. Use Notion.AI to write better, more efficient notes and docs. Notion.AI is a connected assistant that helps you think bigger, work faster, and augments your creativity right inside the functional workspace you're already familiar with. If your day-to-day involves reading docs, writing content, and taking notes, Notion.AI can make you more efficient. There's no need to bounce between tools to improve writing or extract insights. Plus, you don't need to waste time on formatting, formalities, or straightforward text generation, helping you lean into the highest priority tasks in your day. How to use Notion.AI? Notion.AI produces text responses based on users' questions and the current page context. Pull up Notion.AI in one of three ways, depending on your needs in that moment. To improve existing content, highlight text and select Ask AI. Then, pick an option from the drop-down or write a custom prompt. To generate a summary or extract insights from a page, type /AI to view AI blocks or ask Notion.AI to write anything for you. To draft new text, use the space key on a new page or line and enter any prompt. Meetings made easy. Summarizing messy notes for stakeholders and your future self can be lengthy and a tedious process. You know what you talked about, they know what you talked about, but someone still needs to write it down. Now Notion.AI can do it for you. Special AI blocks summarize action items and custom content. Use the power of Notion.AI plus the context from the page on which they're deployed to create perfectly custom content that you can't generate anywhere else. What's more, they can be baked into database templates as a regular part of your meeting process. 3 advanced blocks make use of AI features: recap with or summarize. Create an exclusive overview in seconds. Notion.AI will use context from your documents to generate a few sentences that summarize the entire document. Pull out action items, whether you're analyzing an entire call transcript or hastily taking notes. Notion.AI can help you remember what you committed to do next. Write anything with custom AI block. Ask Notion.AI to expand on a thought outlined on the page or write a counter-argument to your main point. Unlike starting from scratch, this block makes use of what's on the page to inform its output, leading to a more helpful result. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so don't forget to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.